Hi Pomeroys! We want you to be successful this semester, so you'll need to use Microsoft 365. Here's how to use Microsoft 365 from your laptop or your phone. On your laptop, open up your favorite internet browser and go to office.com. Once you're there, sign in with your SMWC account. You'll be taken to the Microsoft 365 Copilot, where you can access all the Microsoft apps online. It's very simple to use. Just click on apps at the respective one that you want to access. From each app, you can also click the menu to access the others. If you'd rather work offline using the desktop apps, first go to office.com and sign in using your SMWC credentials. Once you're there, click on Apps and then Install Apps. Then go to Apps and Devices and click on Install Office. This process will take several minutes for the apps to download. Once they've downloaded, follow the installation process. Finally, sign in using your SMWC account. From your phone, go to the App Store and search for Microsoft 365. You'll find that many of the same apps are available as before, such as Outlook and Word. Download any of the apps and sign in using your SMWC credentials. Do this for each of the apps that you want. If you run into any problems, reach out to the IT department. We hope that the Microsoft apps will help you succeed this year. All right, that's all for today's quick guide.